Hi, I'm Michael Mortimer and this is Sonny Mortimer, and today we are in Heaton to show you a property a little closer to home. Yes, welcome to our home. What I love about living here is the natural light and the feeling of space, and because it's an end of terrace upper Tyneside flat, so it gets the sun from dawn to dusk as it circles round the property, and with the Victorian tall ceilings and windows it adds to that feeling. I've chosen mid-century inspired furniture with a subtle colour scheme with green, greys and neutral tones to really complement the property while still accenting the period features. I've paired it with brushed brass fittings for a modern Victorian finish. This property gets bigger the further back it goes as it's on an angle, so there's so much space in all the rooms. And because I have a third bedroom, I was able to switch it to be a full-size dining room with, of course, an overhead feature hanging light. I hope you've enjoyed seeing our home. I was feeling the pressure on this one. If you'd like me to come and see your home, just let me know. This was definitely close to home, wasn't it, Sonny? Should we go to Iris Brickfield? Let's go! Until next time.